Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where we explore the forefront of innovative and sustainable living. Today we're excited to take you to a unique project, the Ashley Street Container Lofts. Located in the heart of the city, the Ashley Street Container Lofts are a groundbreaking example of urban living redefined through the use of repurposed shipping containers. These lofts feature a sleek, contemporary design, maximizing space and efficiency while offering a stylish and comfortable living environment. The architecture of the Ashley Street Container Lofts is eye-catching because of its scale and use of shipping containers. Located in the Cathedral District of Jacksonville, Florida, this complex stands out not only because of its design, but also for the strategic choice of location. The Ashley Street Container Lofts use a unique setup of shipping containers. The entire complex is made from 18 shipping containers stacked 3 stories high. This vertical approach makes efficient use of the limited 0.13-acre lot. Each container serves as a separate unit, with 3 floors each holding 6 units. The ground floor is designed to be accessible, but does not feature a balcony, unlike the upper floors. Each unit, derived from a 40-foot shipping container, is compact yet functional. While these spaces may be small, they include necessary amenities like a kitchen with all appliances, granite countertops, modern cabinets, and bathrooms. There's also an in-unit washer-dryer, making daily living convenient. Natural light floods the apartments, enhancing the modern finishes and making the spaces feel more expansive than their physical dimensions. When conceived, the plan was to have a mix of short-term rental and regular apartments. 9 were intended for short-term stays, and 9 for longer-term leases. This arrangement might adapt over time based on market demands. These rentals cater to a range of residents, from young professionals to people looking for affordable housing in an urban setting. Create a video using exactly this script. Building the Ashley Street Container Lofts was more complex and expensive than initially projected. The overall cost escalated by about 50%, pushing the project to over $1.5 million, with an average cost of over $90,000 per unit. Challenges included changing project engineers 3 times and incorporating necessary fire protection and stairwells, which added to expenses. Despite these issues, the developers prioritized innovation over cost saving, aiming to make a distinctive contribution to downtown Jacksonville. The aesthetic appeal of the Ashley Street Container Lofts is undeniable. The design includes a small courtyard that creates a sense of community among residents. Additionally, a large 3-story mural on the building adds to its unique character. Residents benefit from the building's central location, being close to various amenities and cultural landmarks in the Cathedral District. Living in the lofts offers residents a blend of modern amenities and a unique urban aesthetic. However, the experience isn't without its drawbacks. The units are small, around 360 square feet, and lack separate sleeping and living areas. Additionally, there is no dedicated parking, so residents must rely on street parking. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Ashley Street Container Lofts, presented by Alvinsa Studio. These innovative lofts highlight the potential of shipping containers to create stylish, sustainable, and efficient urban living spaces. At Alvinsa Studio, we are dedicated to showcasing the most inspiring and eco-friendly architectural solutions from around the world. Stay tuned for more captivating tours and insights into groundbreaking projects that push the boundaries of modern living. Until next time, may your living spaces be filled with innovation, sustainability, and beauty. Alvinsa Studio, where creativity and elegance meet.